In this video, we will discuss about the law of cosine. Before going to the law of cosine, first we know some properties of the triangle. So a triangle have three angle and three sides. This is angle A, angle B, angle C. And where is the side here? The opposite to the angle A, this is a side A. Opposite to the angle B, this is side B. Opposite to the angle C, this is side C. And we know that in triangle, so the sum of all angle is equals to 180 degree. And the formula of law of cosine is easy to remember. So a square is equal b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine a. If you see this one, it will be a cyclic order. A, B, C, B, C, then A. So similarly, I can write it B square is equal C square plus A square minus 2AC and then cosine angle B. Then C square is equal A square plus B square minus 2AB into cosine C. So this is the formula for law of cosine. And one more thing, the law of cosine is used to find the values of the sine and three sides. If it is given as a three sides, if you have side, angle, side, and if it is given as a three side, we are using the law of sine. Now we will see one by one the example. If the angle B is given by 110 degree and A is equal 10 centimeter and C is equal 15 centimeter, then find the side B. See, this is the example of the side. This is the side. This is the side. And this is also side. And this is an angle. So this is the example of side angle side problem. So let us go with this one. How will you solve? Now, from this, is it clear which formula we will use here? B. In order to calculate the side B, I will use the second formula. So what is that formula here? So I write it one time. B square is equal A square plus C square. No issue. You can write it C square first and B square, A square next. No issue. Minus 2AC into cosine B. Just substitute all the values here, given values. What are they? So this is B is A square 100. 10 square is 100. C square 225 minus 2 into 10 into 15 into cosine 110 degree. Now I have to simplify this one. So which is equal 325 minus this is 30 into 10 which is 300. It is cosine 110 degree. This is the B square. I don't want the B square. I need only the side B which is equals to square root of 325 minus 300 into cosine 110 degree. So this is the final answer. If the calculator is not allowed in the exam, you can leave it up to this. If the calculator is allowed in the exam, you can further simplify it as square root 325 minus 300 cosine 110 degree close bracket and equal, so it gives 20.67. So I write it here, it is approximately equals to 20.67 centimeter. So this is the final answer. So this is the example of side, two side and one angle. Let us go with the next problem in which we will have all our sides. So if If A equal 10 centimeter, B equal 5 centimeter, and C is equal 6 centimeter, then then find the angle B. So which formula we have to take here? So by seeing the problem itself, you can just guess the angle B I have to find, so that I have to take this one. So this formula again, I have to take this formula in order to find the angle B. So I write it the formula here. So what is the formula here? B square. This is B square is equal A square plus C square minus 2AC cosine B, angle B. Now I just substitute the value. What is the B square? It is 25 equal A square 100 plus C square is 36 minus 2 times of 10 into 6 into cosine B that I have to find. So now I have to simplify this one further as 136. If you add 100 plus 36 minus, if you multiply, it is 12. 12 into 10, which is 120 cosine B. So here I have to just swap this one. If you bring that side, it is a change of sign, minus become plus. I have to bring that 25 here. So it become minus. So therefore what happened? 120 cosine B is equal 136 minus 25. So which is equals to, this is have 111. It is 120 cosine B. I have to find the value of B. So I have to bring everything on the other side. So what we'll do? Just divide first. Divide 120. You will get cosine B is equal 111 over 120. If you take the reciprocal, I need only the B. I don't want the cosine B. Therefore, it becomes cosine inverse of 111 over 120. So if the calculator is not allowed, you can leave the answer up to this. If the calculator is allowed in the exam, you can just put it here. Alpha, this is first you have to make it this one on reset, then cosine inverse. This is the cosine inverse. If you want the cosine inverse, put the shift with the cosine, we'll get cosine inverse of the fraction, that is 111 over 120. 120. And then close bracket equal. So the angle is equals to approximately 22 degree. This is equal 22 degree. So with this is the best example for the three-sided, because we will have side, and this is also a side, and this is also a side. So this is the example for three side. So if the question is given angle A, we will take this formula, the first one. If the question is asking three side, given three side and find the value of C, we will take that formula. So with this, so all the three formulas we are using depend upon the given data. So law of cosine can be used to calculate if the question is given two-sided and one angle. If the question is given all-sided, we will calculate the remaining angles. Thank you.